Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold from the daily time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is Thursday, June 8th. At 5:35 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for Swiss franc. Then at 6 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect volatility in gold during these news hours. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. Daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and when we look at the current trend of the price action, previously it was in a bullish trend. And we are noticing the current trend of the price action to be trading on a bearish side retracement. So for now, the overall trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bearish trend. But still, since it is trading within a bullish channel pattern, the basic trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern. It has only made a bearish side retracement. It has not made a trend reversal on the bearish side. So as long as the price action is trading below this red color resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. And when we look at the current support and resistance levels using the Fibonacci tool, so based on the Fibonacci tool, currently it is taking support around the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement level, which is between 1956 to 1936. So it has to break this support zone in order to continue its bearish side retracement, and if it continues, next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line. And once this trend line is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1906, which is going to be the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement level. And in case if the price action breaches this support level of 1906, next level of support is going to be around 1864, which is going to be the 78% of the Fibonacci retracement level. And on the bullish side, wait for the price action to break this trend line or the resistance line. And once the price action breaks this red color resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1964. And once this resistance level is breached, we can expect it to retest on the previous resistance level of 2000. So for now, the price action in daily time frame is taking support around the 50% of the Fibonacci level. Wait for it to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side in order to get the confirmation on the directional momentum in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is trading within a rectangle pattern on a sideways price action. It tested the resistance line of the rectangle pattern, which was around 1983, and bounced back on the bearish side retracement. And again we can notice that it came near to the support level of 1935 and bounced back on the bullish side retracement. We can clearly notice that this trend line or the resistance line from the daily time frame is acting as a very strong resistance level. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line from the daily time frame in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend continuation. And once the price action gives a breakout from this rectangle pattern, we can get the confirmation on the start of the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. So on the bullish side we have 2 levels of resistance, and on the bearish side also we have 2 levels of support. First level of support is going to be the rectangle pattern support level of 1935, and once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line from the daily time frame. And once this trend line is breached, we can expect it to take support on the 61% of the Fibonacci level, which is going to be around 1905. So for now, the price action in 4 hours time frame is under a consolidation. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is consolidating within this resistance line from the daily time frame and the Fibonacci support level of 1935. and it is trading within a triangle pattern. So in the lower time frame, you could be scalping within this resistance line and the support line, but for the hourly time frame, wait for the price action to give a breakout from this triangle pattern in order to take a decision on the directional trades. So when we look at the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame, currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1940 and resistance level of 1947. Once the price action breaks its resistance level of 1947, next level of resistance is going to be around 1952, 1959, 1964, 1970, 1979, 1983 and 1989 on the bullish side. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the current support level of 1940 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1934 and 1924. Since the price action is consolidating within this triangle pattern, the resistance and support levels are very narrow. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I mean 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that the resistance line of the daily time frame is acting as a very strong resistance, because we can notice that once the price action tries to break this resistance line, we have a very strong bounce back on the bearish side retracement from this resistance line, which means that the sellers don't want to let the price action to trend on the bullish side. So on the other side, once the price action breaches this resistance line, we can expect a very strong bullish trend to start. And when we look at the support and resistance levels, currently it is trading between the support level of 1935 and resistance level of 1946. Once the price action breaches this resistance level of 1946, next level of resistance is going to be around 1953, 1959, 1946, 1973 and 1983. As we already know, currently the price action is consolidating or trading within this triangle pattern. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.